Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of signing up for HBO Max so you can start enjoying all your favorite shows and movies. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the HBO Max website or download the app. Open your preferred web browser and go to the HBO Max website at www.hbomax.com. Alternatively, you can download the HBO Max app from your device's app store. It's available on iOS, Android, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and various smart TVs. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. Once you're on the HBO Max homepage, look for the Sign Up button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Choose your subscription plan. You will be presented with different subscription plans. HBO Max usually offers options for ad-supported and ad-free streaming. Review the features of each plan and choose the one that fits your needs best by clicking on it. Step 4. Create your account. Next, you will need to enter your email address and create a password for your new HBO Max account. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. After you've entered your information, click on Next. Step 5. Enter your payment information. Now you will be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in the required information, which may include your credit/debit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Once you've filled everything in, click on Subscribe or Start Subscription. Step 6. Confirm your subscription. After submitting your payment information, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription is active. You may also receive an email confirmation. Step 7. Start watching. Now that you have signed up, you can start exploring the vast library of content on HBO Max. Browse through movies, series, originals, and more. Simply select any title and hit play to start watching. Don't forget to check your account settings for any further customization, like setting up profiles for different family members or adjusting parental controls. Thank you for following along with our guide on how to sign up for HBO Max. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Happy streaming!